Be turned on, but let it mean something. I'm a woman with a beautiful body, a beautiful face, and I'm done pretending that I don't know it. I'm not here to waste it or to shrink it or to use it for nothing. So if my sensuality stirs something in you, good. Be stirred. Be turned on. But let it mean something. Let it wake you. Let it soften you. Let it make you feel something again. Because this isn't just for show. This is my frequency. This is medicine. And this is sacred work. So let your ache take you to somewhere deeper. Let your hunger meet your healing. Let your arousal become remembrance.